Hi guys, welcome to another What I Eat in a Week breakfast edition. And a disclaimer that not my every week looks like this, so it may differ accordingly. But for this week, without any further ado, let's get started. So on Monday, I made oats, and it's the basic recipe ever. Like you can't go wrong with the oats. Like it will only take you 5 minutes to make this, and it's so yummy too. So yeah, it's a plus point for me at least. So whenever I have this craving of something sweet in the morning, I go with my oats. I like to make my oats differently. I just like to roast them before adding the water, and then I add water and also some milk. Just try adding a cup of milk, not a cup, like half cup of milk into your oats, and trust me that it will taste much better than water and sweet too. So yeah, try this too. And you know what guys, I had this phase of me like in the starting of 21 that I had these oats like for every single day, and then I just stopped having them. I don't know why. And now I'm in love with them again, and I literally have them like every single day. So whenever I have a craving of anything sweet, just sweet which have like lots of peanut butter or banana in it, I just make my oats and I love it. So yeah, that's why I ate for the Monday. And I also ate two boiled eggs, which I didn't show you because I was so embarrassed to show you guys, because I literally broke them while peeling off the white shell from the boiled egg. So I didn't want to show you that how stupid I am. So yeah, that's what I had, oats and two boiled eggs. So on the next day, I made so good, amazing, fluffiest. I know it's kind of mysterious, but I should tell you, protein pancakes, the best pancakes I ever had. And honestly, guys, I've never tried pancakes ever like outside of my house, like never like eaten pancakes in my life. And this was my second time actually making pancakes. So I don't have anything to compare with, but still like they are the best pancakes that I ever made, and also it's like protein rich. So yeah, for the girls who work out or boys who work out, I think they are the best pancakes you're ever gonna have. So please, please, please just try this recipe and comment down below if you like it or not, cause I'm in love with them. Like pancakes are my thing now. Also, peanut butter is also my thing. I am in love with peanut butter, and you can go wrong with peanut butter. It's my love. I love freaking peanut butter. I know it's crazy, right? So, yeah. And I also added some milk after blending the mixture because it was like so thick. So, I had to add some milk. You can add any sort of milk like dairy, almond milk, or any sort of milk, guys. I just added normal milk like dairy milk that we had. And you know what? This was my achievement. Like, I was so happy when I made these pancakes. Like, there was some level of happiness around me. Like, I was like, oh god, I made these pancakes. And I was like telling my brother, just look at these pancakes, how good are they are. Just taste it. And he won't even believe it until he tried them. And he was like, these were good. I'll give them 10 out of 10 because I made them and they were so good. Okay, now enough of blabbering about the pancakes. On Wednesday, I made some besan chilla, and you know the weather has been lately so good right now, and it's been raining a lot. So I was having a craving of pakoda, but I don't want to have actually that. So I made some besan chilla. And have you ever happened like have ever happened with you guys that you add water into the batter to make it like the right consistency, and you ended up adding more batter, and it's like so, I don't know what's the right word to say, like so watery that you have to add more flour into the batter. And this was happened like this is what happened with me that day. and I was so annoyed. And it was so funny at the same time, like how stupid I am. Like I was adding water, then batter, and then again, and this was happening with me again. But somehow I got it right, and I had besan chila that day. And also a one tip, guys, I don't know if it's a tip or not, or if anyone knows it or not, just try adding chaat masalas over your besan chila, and trust me, it will taste so much better than the usual chila. And with, you can have that with chutney or any sauce. I like to have chaat masala, like I like to sprinkle some chaat masala over the besan chila and then have it sauce. It's so yummy, it's amazing, just try it. So next day I made this wrap kind of a situation, like a chila wrap. So I had this leftover soya chunk bhurji which my mom made, and then I added the soya chunk bhurji into the chila and wrap it around. So yeah, it's a wrap for me. I don't know if it's called a wrap or not, but I like it to call it a wrap, and it was so good. So on Friday, I had black coffee with two soaked almonds as my pre-workout, and then after my main workout, I made three whole eggs omelette, and it was like pretty basic one, and also like I don't want to put a lot of efforts into making my breakfast that day because I was like tired and hungry at the same time, so I just made omelette. And you know what? I just don't like to add vegetables into the batter. Like I first like to saute them, add all the spices, and then I add the egg thingy over my vegetables, and then with the help of fork, I evenly spread it over the eggs. So I make my omelette, and I'm a pretty basic one. And thank you for watching my video, guys. If you like this, to my channel, and see you next time. Bye bye.
I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night.